Hello and welcome to this course on how to become a successful digital solutions architect. In this course, you'll learn the following. You'll learn Introduction to Solutions Architecture, the industry demand for solutions architects, the typical responsibilities of a solutions architect, these activities that solutions architects usually work on, the deliverables that they create. You'll also learn all the core knowledge areas which are required to become a solutions architect. We'll also look at the different kinds of solutions architecture certifications which are available. We'll review the important soft skills that you must have to succeed in a solutions architect role. We'll also review the experience and career path of solutions architect. And finally, we'll look at some of the sample interview questions that solutions architects are usually asked in the job interviews for them to be able to get those great jobs where they can succeed as good solutions architects. This is definitely a great time to become a solutions architect. Who are the solutions architects? Well, they are problem solvers. They are one of the highest paid technical professionals in the digital and IT world. They provide the right technical leadership to deliver on business outcomes. And they're considered as a trusted and responsible technical resource by the business. So this definitely is an excellent time to become a solutions architect. So we hope you can enroll for this course, and let's get on the journey to learn how to become a successful solutions architect.